Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is atomic mass. When anybody speaks the word atomic mass, it comes in our mind mass of the atom. But in reality, it is not directly related with the mass of the atom. Actually, it is a relative mass. Then how do we conclude this as relative mass, so that we are going to understand? And I hope if you will pay attention, then you will understand the real meaning of atomic mass. For example, if I ask you what is the atomic mass of sodium, then you will say 23. Is there any unit of this 23? It is milligram or gram. Can you imagine the mass of the single atom that is so small, which is invisible to the eyes, which we cannot see with the naked eyes? The mass of the single sodium atom cannot be in the gram or in the milligram. So how do we write the atomic mass, and in which unit we write? And that unit is called U. And what is the U? U is actually the unified mass. And it is also called as atomic mass unit. जो U है, that is called unified mass or atomic mass unit. So first we will try to understand the meaning of this U. And if you remember, then I have explained you this topic in the 9th class. See, what is the actual meaning of this U? Actually, the atoms of the elements, they are so small that we cannot think. Even if I say to you the actual mass of the hydrogen atom, then it will be 0.0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And after 23 zeros, we write 1673 gram. Mass of the single atom of hydrogen, that is equal to this much gram, and this is very, 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 very small value. So in our scientific calculation or anywhere, if we need these values, then it is quite difficult, a little difficult. So scientist, he gave another idea to describe the mass of the atom, and that is not in terms of the real mass, that is in terms of the relative mass. So in the scientific notation, if we write this value, then it will come 0.1673 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram, or we can also write 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This value, that is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, this is the real mass of one single atom of hydrogen. In the same way, when we discuss the masses of the other atom, they are also something like that, one or two zeros or some digits more or less, and these types of values are quite difficult to describe. तो ऐसे में scientists suggested the another idea of the atomic mass unit, and that is U. तो अब हम लोग समझेंगे what is the U. देखिए, if in one class, for example, if in one class Total 10 students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 children are there. And if I ask you, you make a table and write the weight of these 10 children. So there are two ways to write the weight of these students. One way is we write student number 1 and its weight, student number 2 weight, student number 3 weight, student number 4 weight, student number 5 weight, and so on. Finally student number 10 equal to weight. So whatever the weight comes, that we write. This is the one of the way. And what is the second way? Second way is this: any student we make a unit, that is student number 5, we make the unit of this, and we compare the masses of we compare the weight of the other students with that of this. Suppose इसको हम एक यूनिट बना लेते हैं और इसका वेट है 20 kg. 20 kg. Now if we get an idea that is the weight of this student number 5, this 20 kg, then the weight of the other students can be described by using this unit, and that is 20 kg. अब हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो स्टूडेंट नंबर 1 है उसका वेट इस स्टूडेंट नंबर 5 से 5 kg ज़्यादा है. इट मीन्स 5 + 20. स्टूडेंट नंबर 2, ये हो सकता है क्वाइट पॉसिबल इसका वेट इससे 2 kg ज़्यादा हो, तो 2 + 20 लाइक दैट. स्टूडेंट नंबर 3 हो सकता है इसका वेट इससे 4 टाइम्स ज़्यादा हो, तो 4 + 20, तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 25. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 22. दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 24. तो हमने क्या किया, इसको एक यूनिट बना लिया और बाकी जितने भी बच्चे हैं उनके वेट को इससे कंपेयर किया. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि 1 का वेट इससे इतना ज़्यादा है, 2 का इतना ज़्यादा है, 3 का इतना ज़्यादा है, 6 का इतना ज़्यादा है, 9 का इतना ज़्यादा है, 8 का इतना ज़्यादा है, 7 का इतना ज़्यादा है और 10 का इतना ज़्यादा है. तो 2 ways are there. I am just giving you the example so that easily you can understand the concept of atomic mass. तो एक हमने यूनिट बना लिया और बाकी जितने भी बच्चे थे उन सबके वेट को उससे कंपेयर किया. तो इसी तरीके से साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने भी एक मास को यूनिट बनाया. And with the help of that unit, the scientists they described the masses of the other atoms of the element. और वो जो यूनिट होती है that is called unified mass और atomic mass unit. तो वो एक्चुअल में उसका मास कितना है यूनिट का, that we will see. देखिए डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द यूनिट. जो साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने यूनिट बनाया उसके लिए द साइंटिस्ट दे हैव टेकन द कार्बन, और कार्बन को वी राइट एज 6 carbon 12. Actually carbons are also 3 types. One is called 6 carbon 12, another one is called 6 carbon 13, another one is called 6 carbon 14. So for making the unit, the scientist they took 6 carbon 12. This is the 6 carbon 12. And if we just to we define this 6 carbon 12, so its atomic number is 6. This is the atomic number and this is the mass number. And if I ask you how many electrons are there, electrons are always equal to the atomic number, that is 6. What is the mass number? This is the mass number, that is 12. And how many protons are there? Protons are also equal to the atomic number, that is 6. How many neutrons are there? Neutrons are calculated by subtracting this value from this 12 minus 6, and that is 6. So atomic number 6, electron 6, mass number 12, proton 6, neutron 6. This is the atomic number, this is the mass number. Atomic number is equal to the proton and it is also equal to the electron, and this is the mass number. Now I am just drawing the one single atom of carbon. This is the nucleus, this is the first shell, and this is the second shell. Now what is there in the nucleus? That is proton is equal to 6 and neutron is equal to 6. Now, how many electrons are there? Electrons are 6. So the first shell that has 2 electrons and the second shell that has 4 electrons. This way. So if somebody asks you what is the actual mass of one atom of carbon, तो उसका जो मास होगा वो उसमें आपके सभी चीजें आएंगी. दैट इज मास ऑफ द प्रोटॉन, मास ऑफ द न्यूट्रॉन एंड मास ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन. बट द masses of the electron are very very small as compared to the whole atom of carbon. तो जब भी हम लोग किसी भी एटम के मास की बात करते हैं तो मास ऑफ द एटम मीन्स ओनली द मास ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस. दिस इज द न्यूक्लियस. Because these masses the electrons are very very small as compared to the mass of the whole atom. जैसे if you go for the haircut to the barber shop and before going to the barber shop you weigh your weight. Suppose it comes 40 kg and after coming back from the barber shop when your hair is cut then also you weigh. So what will be the weight of that? That also comes same, that is 40 kg. इसका मतलब जो है हेयर कटने के बाद आपके वेट में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. बिफोर कटिंग द हेयर्स दैट वाज 40 kg, आफ्टर कटिंग द हेयर्स दैट इज आल्सो 40 kg. तो हेयर्स का मास कटने से, हेयर के कटने से मास पे क्यों डिफरेंस नहीं आया? बिकॉज the mass of the hair are very very small as compared to the whole body. So in the same way electrons are also very very small as compared to the whole atom of the element. तो ऐसे में जब भी हम बात करते हैं mass of the one atom, always it is equal to the mass of the nucleus. Masses of the electrons are not included in the mass of the whole atom. And since these electrons are not included, only we are taking the mass of the nucleus, so it is better that we discuss only the nucleus of the carbon 12. Now I am drawing just the structure of nucleus, and this is the nucleus, only the nucleus of this 6 carbon 12. Then protons how many? 6 and neutron how many? 6. अब हमको क्या करना है? This nucleus, we make 2 pieces of this nucleus of the 6 carbon 12. Afterwards, we just cut from the here this side and we make 4 pieces, just like the pizza. After that, we cut from here and we get how many pieces? 6 pieces. Then we cut from this side, how many pieces? 8 pieces. One more cut, 10 pieces. One more cut, 12 pieces. We make 12 pieces of this 6 carbon 12, and afterwards one single piece of this 6 carbon 12 we take out from here. Just like the pizza, when you eat then you take a single piece of the pizza. In the same way we also take a single piece of the pizza. And if I ask you कि ये क्या है, what is this, तो आप कहेंगे it is 1/12 part of 6 carbon 12. ये जो आपने कट करके पीस निकाला है ये 1/12 पार्ट ऑफ द 6 कार्बन 12. और ये जो 1/12 पार्ट ऑफ द 6 कार्बन 12 है, इसी को साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने बनाया यूनिफाइड मास. और इसको कहते हैं एटॉमिक मास यूनिट और 1U. फिर साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने क्या किया, इसको वे किया, and after weighing this one they got an idea that this single piece यानी 1/12 part of the carbon 12, इसका जो weight है that is equal to 1.673 into 10 to the power माइनस 24 ग्राम। ये जो मास है, इतने मास को हम लोगों ने कह दिया दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 U। अब अगर किसी एटम का मास एग्जैक्टली इसके बराबर है 1.673 इंटू 10⁻⁻24 ग्राम, तो आइदर वी से दिस कि उस एटम का मास इतना है, और वी से इट इज इक्वल टू 1 U। दैट हैज द सेम मीनिंग। जैसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल दैट इज 1 एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। 1 एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, जो 1 एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है, तो अभी जस्ट नाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, 1 सिंगल एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, उसका जो मास होता है दैट इज 1.673 इंटू 10⁻⁻24 ग्राम। एंड सिंस द 1 एटम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन दैट इज इक्वल टू दिस मच ग्राम, तो आइदर वी राइट दिस और वी राइट सिंपली 1 U। तो whenever somebody asks what is the atomic mass of hydrogen, so we don't say the atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.673 into 10⁻24। we always say the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U। तो जैसे ही हम बताएंगे the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U, it is understood U means unified mass, और unified mass means 1.673 into 10⁻24 ग्राम। किसी भी एटम का मास अगर इतना है तो उसको हम 1 U कह सकते हैं। और ये जो 1 U है दैट इज नॉट द रियल मास, ये रिलेटिव मास है। क्यों रिलेटिव मास है? क्योंकि हमने मास ऑफ द एटम को, मास ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिलेट किया है किससे? 1/12 पार्ट ऑफ द कार्बन 12। इफ एनी एटम हैज द एटॉमिक मास दैट इज 2U या सपोज 4U, so what is this 4U? Actually it is the relative mass, and if I ask you what will be the real mass of this atom which has the atomic mass 4U, then you can say 4 or U means 1.673 into 10⁻⁻24 gram, and when we multiply this then we can get the actual mass or the real mass of any element.